Hello, in this video I want to show you how to attach a string strap to Pokémon GO Plus. And to do this, here I have the original string strap, and what we need to do is to connect this end part of a strap to this gap holes right here and tie it down. So we're gonna take the end of it and roll it a bit, and then slide it inside right here. And keep pushing it until it goes out on the other side. Now simply slide it like that. And here we can tie it down with whatever method you like. So I think I'm gonna go for something like this. It's a bit tricky, as I wouldn't recommend to do this while playing the game because it vibrates all the time and it's annoying. Okay, I have it. Now simply tie it down and it's good to go. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.